feel it every time you see me in. What's my favorite word? Why they gotta say it like short? You know.
Oh yeah. Do you hear what I'm listening? Let's get straight, or before we go into that, I'm your host, Black King Sebastian. And this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything.
Indeed.
And we're live.
That's right. Let's get straight into our first hot topic with the Larsa or Laura Pippen.
So for Larsa Pippen, the only thing we're going to have to say with you is the same thing we've been saying for a while now. Change your first and your last name to Lisa. Lisa Rinna. Right now, because that's going to be the best route for you, and stop messing around with men who are married or have kids or have other things going on.
Because you are a millionaire, or you're rich, let's put it at that. So don't go around trying to get someone who has babies, a wife, and still has car payments. You're bigger than that. And as Dr. Ross said, you should be called the Lisa Rinna, or even better, the Lisa 2, number 2 in fact.
Part 2.
That's right. But with Lisa, you would be great instead of wasting your time with these basketball players on the Strip 101.
But I'm not done yet.
Don't hang out with these scallywags. Because we have a show for you, or our producers have a show for you, Miss Lisa. It is called the Strip 101. Now this is a reality show that is full of real hot strippers, everyday housewives, and women from 9-to-5 jobs. But they all come together and they actually get to speak their mind, and dancers get to voice their opinion. But the show has a twist. The panel consists of 3 dancers whom are dressed sexy and scandalous and ready to speak their mind, telling women why they do what they do. And with the Lisa Rinna, this would be a perfect, or not the Lisa Rinna, but the Lisa, this would be a perfect show for you.
Lisa Rinna number 1 and Lisa number 2. We'll call them Thing 1 and Thing 2 when they come out.
You know what? This would be good for the Lisa as well as the Lisa number 2. Let's move into our next hot topic with the scallywag Snoop Dogg.
So Scallywag Snoop Dogg was out with the, the Xbox chain, Black King Sebastian, I saw him, and the Versace glasses and the Versace beanie. And people are saying that they think he is the best commentator that they've ever had for the fighting league because they said it's hilarious.
Boxing and Mike Tyson all over Roy Jones Jr. Snoop.
This shit like 2 of my uncles fighting at the barbecue. Get your uncle out of here. Get him out. You go meet me in the backyard. I'm tired of this shit. Come on.
First of all, with the Snoop Dogg, we know that you have your new wine out. Dr. Ross and I haven't had it. But with the Martha Stewart, keep doing you. As well as, we see that you've been doing something. You've been cooking it up, and it's probably selling. Dr. Ross and I wouldn't know. We're not in the wine business. But with Snoop Dogg, with that Xbox chain, you need to take that off and take off the Beetle glasses.
Things in my Xbox Series X. Got some real food too. We finna cook some, huh? Hello. Happy birthday. Oh, that's a cake?
We know you did some stuff with the Xbox and got the literal fridge.
Got a little bit of endorsement.
But stop. You don't need the Beetle. You're not from Egypt.
I'm going to have to agree with you, Black King Sebastian.
But let's move into... Or
go ahead.
Go on, Dr. Ross.
The only thing I was going to say, Black King Sebastian, is the beanie hat and the glasses with the Beatles on it. You look like you came straight out of the Golden Compass. Did you know, Black King Sebastian, they're filming a new season for that? Snoop Dogg, you should go audition. But on to our next hot topic. We have Real Housewives of Atlanta because, they're always in the drama. But, so this man right here, the wife, Erica Jane, has recently been called out for allegedly embezzling money from her husband. Now, we want to take a second. The photo will be right here of them side by side. But we want to just take a second just to look at the husband for a minute. And, we're not going to say anything bad about the Flavor King right here. Bandage on your head because you've been roughing it up a little bit.
You would look better with the wrestling mask on. And second of all, with the Real Housewives of Atlanta, the scandalous women, we already know. Dr. Ross and I and the studio co-host audience The second you said, I do, you're already cheating with another man.
Exactly.
Because you are, no offense to you, but you were way past expired. So we know that you probably didn't do a prenup, so you're trying to make her where she doesn't get all the money from you. Or at least half of it.
I mean, it's right. It's the only thing right to do because you know these girls are scandalous and she's about to take every single penny, if she hasn't already taken every penny from him. And like King Sebastian said, best case scenario for you to do right now is put on a mask and say Nacho!
That's right, dollar dollar. Let's move into our next hot topic with the Bachelorettes. So the Bachelorette trailer hints major drama for Riley, Brendan, and Zach C. I want to clear one thing up, Dr. Ross, so this might be a quick topic. The Bachelorette, it's a reality TV show. And we heard with another show called The Power, people were so angry that one of the characters got killed off, that people sent death threats to the person playing the character.
I know, you guys go a little bit over dramatic.
It's
but
a
that's
TV show.
My only thing, Black King Sebastian, that's how you know the acting is good. When you hate the person so badly and you don't even know them. But
that's
also,
true. Let's move into our next.
People go too serious.
That's right. Let's move into our next hot topic with the Miley Cyrus. So Miley Cyrus is saying that she still loves the Liams Hemsworth. Now Miley,
Stop.
you know that's
no.
a lie. This is a straight up lie. You need to stop because you kicked him to the dirt so fast. He was done before he even saw it coming.
She's just trying to play with his heart because she sees that he had a new girlfriend and he hasn't broken up with her for the time being. But the only thing, I'm going to say it again, you've seen the meme Miley Cyrus, you know we love you with that 420, but stop it.
Get some help.
And Miley Cyrus, we know you've been sitting at home lately when the lights have gone out and the door slams shut and there's no one else there and you're just crying, eating your Popeyes, and then you start thinking to yourself, well, Liam loved me. Liam cared.
And he's with someone, so why don't I go mess up that relationship?
Exactly.
You're probably thinking as well, is my phone not working? I haven't gotten a single call in a few weeks now. But with Miley,
Sad case.
that's right. With Miley, let's lay some tracks down. Dr. Ross and I will be arriving in Tennessee.
Nashville, Tennessee, where the Kentucky Fried Chicken runs hot.
That's right. So let's lay some tracks down. Meet us at the studio. Let's move into our next and final hot topic with the Britney Spears.
Exactly.
So Britney Spears gives us an unreleased single on her birthday. Britney, you need to sit down and worry about you need to worry about your health and stay at the house.
Exactly.
Don't worry about your popularity right now. You need to get your mind in order. But once you do all of that, then you can come back out. But
speaking of different changes though, Black King Sebastian, I know we said this is going to be our last hot topic, but Jennifer Lawrence actually was she's really embodying her character from the X-Men and decided to dye her hair completely red, bright red. What are your thoughts, Black King Sebastian?
men love them all. Redheads, blondes, any one of them. Blue heads, it does not matter.
What did you just say?
But with the Jen, if the check still cashes, you're still hot in my book. These were all of our hot topics, but for the Dolly Parton, we still got your mugs.
We both do.
We inspire to aspire.
Dolly Parton for life.
But with Dolly, let's make some deals, as well as the Martha Stewart. Let's make something work with the shampoo. As you guys know, the Jamaican shampoo is still available for purchase, as well as we will be holding a competition to see who will win the crates
For
of the
around
shampoo.
Christmas time. Because we know, Snoop Dogg, we've been watching you for a little bit. It doesn't look like you've unbraided your braids a little bit. Maybe you need some of our good shampoo to go through the roots.
You need
soak
some
it
of
up a
the
little
pap.
bit. Give you some life. Give you some energy. Because you've been sitting around. No offense, we love you, Snoop Dogg, because you are the D-double-O-G.
And Dr. Ross and I are working out some deals with the Walmart and Target, so they may be in one of your stores near you soon. But other than that, that's for you, Kylie Jenner. We out. We'll see you in LA. We'll catch you on the next song. We'll catch you guys on the next song.
Rosie Gold.